I'm Keith McConnell, inventor of the Bfac amp controller. The Bfac amp controller is a remote amp control that leaves your feet and hands free for better quality and less welder fatigue, especially in out-of-position welding. I learned to weld a long time ago in a friend of mine's welding and fabrication shop. And after spending hours in the shop, I noticed that a lot of times welders had to choose between welding in an uncomfortable position and the quality of their work. The tools we currently have work great if you're welding at a welding station, but if you're having to weld out of position, they fall short. With the Bfac amp controller, we have the precision of the foot pedal or a thumb switch that frees up our feet to support ourselves and our hands to work on the project. This comes in handy when we're welding out of position. Just connect the receiver to your TIG machine, pair the transmitter, and you're ready to weld in seconds. With the Bfac amp controller, you no longer have to choose between your own comfort and the quality of your work. Now you have full control over your welding in any position.